Hello everyone, welcome back to Sawdust and Circuits. Today we're talking 3D printed vises. Are they actually useful, or are they just fluff? Let's find out. We'll start with this bench vise. I designed this one mainly as a features test. The goals were no supports, replaceable jaw inserts, and use a standard 1/4 by 2-inch knob. Honestly, I wish longer knobs were easier to find, but 2 inches seems to be the practical limit for off-the-shelf hardware. Let me know in the comments what you would have done differently here. Assembly on this is fast. I did order some 1/4 E-clips, which might be a little fancy here, but you actually don't need them. You could just lock 2 nuts together at the base and be done. Now these inserts actually turned out pretty cool. They can slide in any orientation. Depending on the rotation, they actually shift the clamping center line up or down. That gives you more strength depending on how you're holding the part. And no, that definitely was not an accident. The 3 inserts I settled on are a flat face insert, a crosshair alignment insert, and a wire guide insert. Perfect for soldering. If you like builds like this, go ahead and hit subscribe. There's a lot more coming. Next up is what I'm calling the fly vise. This one is inspired by some similar metal vises that I've seen, but I designed this one around 1/4 threaded inserts. Assembly on this one is even faster, and no E-clips here, mostly because I only had one left. The nice thing about using 1/4 threads is that it fits all standard camera gear. Tripods, handles, mounting arms. That makes this much more useful on the bench. And finally, we have this, which is an earlier version I designed. I still love this thing. You can move the 1/8" pins around to change the size and shape of what you're holding. And it absolutely shines with round objects. It's basically a simplified clone of the center section of a ball vise, but for plastic, and it works surprisingly well. So those are 3 3D printed vises that I've designed. Are they wins or are they losses? Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.